We'll guide you through how to use an Android phone as a compass. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really useful to do this as of course you pretty much always have your phone on you, so therefore you're always going to have a compass on you when it's on your phone. To go and do this, we do need to go and get an app. So what you need to do is go and open up the Play Store. The app we're going to get is called Digital Compass. So you can come to the bottom and tap on search, and we're using this top one here. You can go and search for compass and it should appear. Go and open it up like so. And as you can see, I can now go and see the direction. I can see north is that way, and I can see east, south and west. It's super useful. When you open up for the first time, it may want to go and calibrate. I've already done that, but you may need to. If you found this useful and you want to see more useful Android guides, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to being able to help you again in the future. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching.